Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using LendingLoop. LendingLoop, a personal loan review and user experience. LendingLoop is a Canadian peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platform bridging the gap between small businesses seeking financing and investors looking for opportunities. While its primary focus is business loans, LendingLoop also caters to individuals requiring funding for entrepreneurial ventures, offering a viable alternative to traditional bank loans. Borrowers can access loan amounts ranging from a modest $5,000 up to a substantial $500,000, with fixed repayment terms spanning from 3 months to 5 years. Interest rates are competitive, starting as low as 4.96%, but can vary based on the borrower's creditworthiness and the financial health of their business. A key advantage of LendingLoop is its streamlined online application process. This eliminates the often cumbersome paperwork and bureaucratic hurdles associated with traditional banks. Borrowers are required to submit financial documentation, and LendingLoop utilizes a risk-based pricing model to determine the applicable interest rate. This platform is particularly well-suited for self-employed individuals, small business owners, and those who may not meet conventional lending criteria. Unlike many traditional lenders, LendingLoop offers the flexibility of early loan repayment without incurring penalties, a significant benefit for borrowers. For investors, LendingLoop presents an avenue for generating passive income by funding business loans. Projected returns typically range from 6% to 15%. However, as with any P2P lending platform, there's an inherent risk of loan defaults. LendingLoop mitigates this risk through thorough credit assessments and by diversifying investor funds across a portfolio of loans. The loan approval process is generally efficient, with funding often secured within a matter of days. However, given LendingLoop's business-centric focus, individuals seeking personal loans for general expenses might find more suitable options elsewhere. If you require funding for business expansion, equipment acquisitions, or working capital, LendingLoop offers a transparent and flexible alternative to traditional lending institutions. Before committing to any loan, it's crucial to compare offers from various lenders and carefully evaluate your financial situation. Check the links in the description below for more detailed information about LendingLoop and to determine if it's the right fit for your financial needs.